Well, congratulations, you're still in Division 1A. Fantastic performance.
Yeah, it was good. Look, we were looking to, improve our performance on our league outings to date. So, I think we're happy to get the result, and we'd be happy enough with the performance as well.
It was a great start, 5 points on the trot, especially between yourself and Darfus Gibbon beside you. Was that an emphasis for the game, just that midfield area?
Yeah, I suppose it's we know from playing against Waterford, they're very strong around the middle, a third, and I suppose we just wanted to win our individual battles and see where that took us. So look, I suppose the Waterford midfield played well as well. So I suppose there was a lot of ebb and flow there. So look, we were happy enough.
The conditions today, hasn't stopped snowing all day. Was it hard to play in the cold?
No, to be honest, I thought it'd be worse coming up. The pitch is in great condition, and it was colder right at the start for the warm up, but thankfully after you warm up, and get into it, the adrenaline starts pumping. You don't take much notice of it.
And your own performance, a couple of points there from midfield. Must be happy with that.
I suppose happy enough. Look, I got in the end a couple of balls. I suppose it's hard work from the lads around me, and thankfully I got a couple of scores today, but it's all about just doing your job for the team and working hard around the middle third, so I was happy enough.
Well, Cochard, because it's such a lech himmer, Clyneuv, as a plat flurry and so, Chun and Gradman of Runart.